Hey Gemini, I need an easy makeup look for myself that I can do in 5 minutes. For everyday makeup, I'm 51. Let's get started on this 5-minute makeup that AI generated for me. Step 1, prep, 30 seconds. Tinted moisturizer or CC cream. Why it works at 51. It provides sheer coverage while keeping skin hydrated. Pro tips for mature skin. Ditch the heavy powder unless you are very oily. Skip all the other face powder. It can dull the skin's natural radiance. If you must use it, only tap a tiny bit on your T-zone. 2, brighten, 1 minute. Cream concealer. A dab on the inner corners of the eyes hides tiredness instantly. Color, 1 minute. Cream blush. Cream formulas blend into the skin better than powders for a youthful dew. The lift technique. When applying blush, start with the apple of your cheek, but blend up and backward toward your hairline. This creates a subtle lifting effect. Warmth is your friend. Brow gel tinted. Fuller brows act like a mini facelift by framing the eyes. 5, finish, 1 minute. Mascara and tinted balm. Opens the eyes and adds a healthy flush of color to the lips. If you feel washed out, a tinted lip balm in a berry or peach tone can bring life back into your face much faster than a nude lipstick. Okay, what do you think? We're all done. And that took under 5 minutes. I'm pretty quick at applying everything, but what do you think? Honestly, let me know in the comments down below. So what's really bothering me about this look is I can do a little bit more concealer. So I'm going to grab a little bit more concealer here, and I'm gonna strategically place concealer like throughout all as a finishing touch. One reason why I like to do this does a lot of a lifting, anti-aging, brightening look to the face, and then I'll place here. So Gemini AI just, said to simply put it on the inner corner of the eye, but concealer is your best friend if you're using a little brush, and you can do a lot more lifting, a little bit more coverage throughout the face, especially if you're using a CC cream or a tinted balm. You just sometimes want a little bit more coverage. And it only takes an extra 10 seconds to do this. So this, I think, with Gemini AI, the application of just in here is fine, but you'll see at the end the difference. So next what I would do is I would just do a different coat, like an additional dab of cream blush on the cheek. And the reason why is I want to really make this pop against the concealer. So just touching up with this blush up in the corner makes a big difference. The next thing that I would fix about this is I would curl my eyelashes because my eyelashes are so straight. So just putting on a mascara like this side, you can see like just how they go down, and then it gets all on the bottom. So I need to use an eyelash curler. This is something that just opens up my eyes. So I generally don't like to curl my eyelashes after I apply mascara. It's just not healthy for your eyelashes to do so. But for the sake of this video, I will do it because I know how to do it in a way that's not going to damage my eyelashes. But look at the difference in the way my eyes are more open here, and over here, the lashes just fall. As a final step, I'm going to add a powder blush, and this is the Infallible blush, and it's almost like the color is a really pretty neutral color, like it could be a little bit of a bronzer and a blush at the same time. I'm going to use this just to set the blush. I like to set cream blushes because they stay on longer. So this is something that I would do to soften up the whole look of the face, and then add a little right here to the crease of the eye. This is a great way to just polish up the full makeup, and you can even do a little bit on the side of the nose, but you can see how this blush is just enhancing the look that we have for 5 minutes. So here is the makeup recommendations from artificial intelligence Gemini AI. You can see it's a quick, easy 5 minutes for a fresh look. On the right side is makeup that I did to touch up and really make this look pop. Give it a polished look. What do you think? Which look do you like more? I mean, this is good. It didn't come with a lot of tips, but it came with enough tips to get you by if you're a newbie doing makeup. By the way, I did do a different video. It's Grok giving me makeup advice in 5 minutes, same idea, but it's Grok makeup with makeup tips too versus mine. You can see that video. There's also another one that ChatGPT did my makeup. Didn't physically do it, but gave me a makeup plan. So take a look at those videos while you're here. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. I will see you guys in the next video.